Hey YouTube cultures, it's Joe here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Erin Condren Planner. So if you've ever wanted to see what one looks like, go ahead and stick around. Okay everyone, so I have my Erin Condren Planner. The box is ridiculous. It is huge for a planner. Not really sure why it came in such a big box, but it did. I will put the link and price and everything below of what I paid. I don't really remember what I paid right now, so I'll have to put that all below. This I ordered before my hiatus, and the only negative thing that I remember now about the shipping was I ordered it, and it took like 2.5 weeks to get here. That's unheard of in the shipping world when I can order something from Amazon and have it within 2 hours. So 2.5 weeks for shipping, not sure why. Maybe because the box was too big. I don't know. But this is the planner that supposedly gets you organized beyond belief. So it was quite expensive, easy to order on their website. I don't know. I don't know much about it yet, so can't give you too much details on how it all works. But let's go ahead and let's do the unboxing. Oh, look, tissue paper. Alright, so this is what we have here. We have a postcard. You are entirely up to you. It makes perfect sense right now. Some welcome packet. Let's see. Save $10 off your next purchase. Looks like it's some stickers. I think this is a sticker. All right, enjoy. So, once again, I'm just gonna move the camera because I think this is ridiculous that they sent a box this big for a planner this big. What are they thinking? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. All right, so that huge box. Okay, really, the box is just driving me crazy. Turn to me into this. Okay, so I got a sticker pack because, well, I was reading it just works better with stickers. Ah, this actually looks nice. I got some black. So this is my planner, it looks like. Let's see. Oh, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. It feels nice. Oh, yeah, it feels really nice. Missing a month already. I got, I'm going to move the camera so you can kind of see, hopefully. I got the color. So, as you can see, each month is a different color. It has an odor to it. I got the silver spiral coil. It's really nice color. It's very bright, vibrant. It looks like there's some. Oh, there's more stickers. Oh, and a nice little back here. A nice little back here with more. Oh, what is this? Another oh, it's a, maybe it's like a to-do list. I don't know, but it's in here. And it fits right back here. I like the little pockets. It's very colorful. I like the black better. I'm not totally a colorful person, but I'd like to see color more than I'd like to see just black and white. Maybe this can go back here. This is like a zipper pouch, like one of those old school, let's put your pens and pencils in here. Plan for it pouch. So maybe like, I don't know, something goes in there. And then can put all this back in here. I don't know. I'm hoping that I'm going to move this up so you can see me again talking. I'm hoping that this planner goes how it should. Oh, there's at the beginning of each month, there's a little message, and I think that's cool. The concept of the planner, if I'm understanding correctly, is you plan out your month, and then you can like kind of plan out your day, and then kind of write down your like 5 to-do list, and then like journal to the side if you have little notes here. Now, what I like about this is planning out your month, but then also one tip that I've heard about being successful is you should wake up each day, write down 5 to-do things, and you have to get those done before you can end your day. And I've been trying to do that, and it would be nice to have a ledger of things I've accomplished, because sometimes I'll get to the end of the month and I'll be like, what did I accomplish? And I know that I've done a heck of a lot of work. So I think that would be cool to have that. So that's one tip. If you are like me and you're trying to get organized, waking up in the morning, writing down 5 things that you need to do will really help. And then also brain dumping. We'll talk about that in a minute. But also, I forgot to show you this. At the end, there is like this page at the end of each month. And I don't really know what the little circles represent. Someone tell me. But here's like some journaling or whatever. But one thing that I was told by my previous boss was that you should always do a brain dump, and she said that she has a notebook and she has the to do, delegate, or just dump, and you just anytime you get an idea that something needs to be done or you want to do something, you just keep writing it down, and then you put it all down, and then you can develop the plan a little bit further by saying, okay, I have to do this, and maybe give yourself a time frame. Or maybe you just put it down and just get it all out. But then you see what you don't have to do, what you can delegate. And then you put that there. And things that you know that need to be done, or not need to be done, that should be done, but you know that you're not going to do it and no one's going to do it for you, put it in your dump file. Because if you know it's not going to get done, and you know it's not going to get done by you, and you can't delegate to someone else, that might be like, making 7 quilts this year or something. You know it's not going to happen. You wish it would, but whatever. So you just put it in your dump file. But I was just thinking, with this planner, if I do my, my idea book, and I just keep writing down everything, it'll be easy to take the to-do list and every day take 5 things off of it to get done. So Anakin's still here with me. I like it so far. I like how it's not huge. I thought it was going to be huge, so I'm good about that. The sticker thing, I'm not really a sticker person, but I'm going to do it. So, negatives about this, it took 2.5 weeks to get here. They sent a box that was extremely big. I have no idea what they were thinking. That is a waste of shipping cost and material. Those are the only 2 negatives. Oh, and the price. The price was ridiculous. I think it was like $80. But everyone loves it, and they say it helps them. And you can see the people who do have it on the YouTube channels, they buy one every year because it must help them. So those were the 3 negatives. Positive, it's colorful, it's small, it's really good quality, very nice quality. I don't like how, I have greasy hands, but it's a little bit greasy when you touch it. but it's cool. I mean, it's just, it looks good. Looks like you want to get in here and plan. So maybe we'll start some planning, a planning group, and we'll all share what we can plan. But this is my Erin Condren video. This is the planner I bought with some stickers. I will link her website below. I don't think I have like a code to give you that gives you anything off. Maybe I can share like one of the codes with you that I got in this box. Or I bet it's individualized to me. Probably can't do that. I'll look to see if I can, well, I know that if you go to the website, sometimes they have like percentages off anyway. But I don't think like I don't think there's a direct link for that. But I'll put her link below. Go check it out if you want. I will maybe do a monthly update on how this is going, so you guys can see if it's worth it. I don't know. If you are on a budget, I probably would just go to Target and get yourself, or Michael's. I heard there's a really cool one at Michael's. I'd maybe get that for right now until we see if this is successful, because I am really bad at planning. So if this makes me a planner, then I will definitely recommend it. But until we know for sure, I caution you to get it. But if you want to try to get organized, go ahead and get it. Your choice, not mine, but it is cool. Come on, I guess. All right, guys, if you like this video, please comment, like the video, and subscribe. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.